Hey there, I'm Zakaria Ahmed from Solo ITVD. Let's suppose this is my website and my website is complete, but I want to change the website design, or maybe I want to change any content of my website. In that case, if I don't put my website under maintenance mode, if someone visits my website, maybe they will see wrong information, or maybe they will see a broken design. In that case, what we can do, we can put our website in maintenance mode. So without wasting any more time, let's see how you can do that. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, then hover on plugins and then click on add new. In this search box, type maintenance. There have a lot of plugins to do that, but I'm going to use this plugin. Install this and then click on activate. So we have successfully installed that plugin. Now, if we look at the black bar, you will see an option for maintenance mode. And if we look at the left side, you will see a new option has been added. You can click here and you will see so many options here. My website is live now. If I open my website in an incognito window, as you can see, now my website is under maintenance mode because we have installed the plugin. Now let's see how we can configure that. If you want to change this text, or maybe if you want to change these text, or maybe footer, or maybe you want to change the background, let me show you how you can do that. Go to your website backend. So if you want to change that text, you can change this text from here. And here is the footer. If you want to change this footer, you can change this copyright text from here. And if we scroll down, you will see the logo width. And if you want to use your own logo, you can do that. You can click on upload logo. You can upload it from here, or if you have already uploaded the logo, then you can simply select this from here. You can set a retina logo as well if you want. And this is the background. If you want to change the background, you can change it from here as well. For example, I'm going to use this image, and you will see so many other options is available here as well. You can change background color, you can change font color, and you can change the font style or size. You can change all of these things from here. Let me update these. Now if we visit the website, as you can see, my logo and the background has been changed. If you want, you can change these text as well. And if I scroll down, you will see some additional features which can be useful for you. If you want, you can write custom CSS here. This is a very important option. For example, I want to put my whole website in maintenance mode except my contact us page. In that case, search that page here, click on save changes. The same things you can do with product template as well. And if I visit my website, as you can see, still it's not live. But if we type contact us, as you can see, contact us page is live. But if we go to home page or maybe about us page, you will see website is not live. So maybe these options could be very useful for you. And another important thing is, you can see that lock icon. If I click here, you will see that website login form. So if you don't want to show this, as you can see this option, enable front-end login. If we uncheck this, and then if we click on save changes, the lock icon has been gone. And for example, your work is done and you want to make your website live again. Let's see how you can turn that off. Go to your website and you can turn off this and then click on save changes. And now visit the website. So our website is live now. So that's all. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you.